The COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet portable washing machine is the perfect solution for apartments, RVs, dorms, or small spaces, offering convenience and efficiency in one compact design. Be sure to check the link in the description for the best price and special deals available today. With 6 commonly used wash programs including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only, you can easily customize every laundry load to your needs. The washer also provides 3 water temperatures and an extra rinse option for thorough cleaning. Its 11-pound laundry capacity allows you to wash a full load without taking up much space, while the stainless steel inner tub ensures durability and long-lasting use. Designed to save energy, this machine consumes up to 84% less power than similar models, helping reduce your household bills. The child lock feature keeps the control panel safe from accidental presses, giving families peace of mind. Additionally, the delay start function lets you set a convenient time for your laundry to begin, and the reloading feature allows you to add forgotten clothes even after the cycle has started. Rolling wheels make it easy to move the washer anywhere, and the clear lid lets you check on your laundry at any time without interrupting the cycle. Its compact dimensions of 20.7 inches width, 23 inches depth, and 36.6 inches height make it a perfect fit in tight spaces. Combining convenience, safety, efficiency, and portability, the COMFEE portable washer ensures clean clothes effortlessly, making everyday laundry simple, quick, and stress-free for busy lifestyles.